Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your resume as a link. This is really useful when you want to apply for jobs online, send your CV quickly. So let's get started. First, open Google Drive on your computer. Once you're inside, click on the New button in the top left corner. From the menu, choose File Upload. Now, go ahead and select your CV or resume file from your computer. Could be in PDF, Word, or any other format. Once you pick it, it will begin uploading to Google Drive, and within a few seconds, you'll see it appear inside your drive. Now let's move on to sharing it as a link. Find the resume you just uploaded in your drive and click on it to open. The top right corner, you'll see a Share button. Click on that. By default, Google keeps the file restricted, which means only you can view it. So under General Access, change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. This will make your resume viewable by anyone you share the link with, but don't worry, they can only see it, not edit it. After that, click on Copy Link. Now your shareable resume link is copied to your clipboard. To check if it's working, open a new tab in Chrome, paste the link, and hit Enter. As you can see, your resume opens up perfectly in the browser. That means it's ready to be shared. And that's it. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more easy guides like this. Thanks for watching.